But we really appreciate the support. We appreciate y'all inviting us up today to be able to talk to y'all. So it's been on my heart for the last 3 weeks since the Florida shooting that I need to speak out about school safety and just our society as a whole. They seem to not take anything away from them, but they seem to turn everything into a gun problem. Our society isn't what it needs to be. We've got a heart problem. We don't have a gun problem.
Hey everybody, I'm your student voice for the evening. I speak for all of you, to all of you. So if I say something you disagree with, I'm sorry, but you don't disagree with it anymore. I'm only kidding. I far and away know that not everything I say here will be received with enthusiasm, and that's perfectly fine. I encourage you to question me. But I do ask that everything I say here at least be received. My goal for this speech isn't to indoctrinate those who oppose my views or build up the superiority complex of those who do agree, but instead pass on and hopefully improve the discourse of this topic to the many mouths and fingers of all of you who choose to listen.
I think it went great. I think definitely, not to sound like I'm buttering anyone up, I think the live wire did a great job in putting it all together. I ran a little bit over, but I could hear the rumblings towards the very end, but that's to be expected. And the guests and everyone was wonderful in what they said, and I think it did a good job of presenting the full coverage of the story and of the issue.
What are you guys, as a member of law enforcement, going to do to ensure safety of students?
We continually work with the school to address any issues they have. We stay in contact with the school's safe coordinator, Sarah, so she's already been in contact with us, and we continue to work on things in the background that will continue to improve in the future. But we have a safe community, we have a safe school. We hope to keep it that way.